So it's a wonderful Tuesday evening. We're just chilling at my place tonight, just hanging out, and I thought I'd keep you guys posted on the videos coming up, and we got a lot more vlogs coming as time goes on. I just wanted to let you guys know that there's a lot of collaborations coming up. I got a few really close friends of mine that want to collaborate and get a couple of things out there, and thought I'd keep you guys posted on that and let you guys know what's going to be happening in the near future. So stay tuned, follow my channel for more updates, and it's going to get great, trust me. You won't want to miss this.